Standard 11th Business Mathematics, Exercise 2.6, fourth question, find the middle terms and the expansion of, in that your first subdivision x plus 1 by x the whole power 11. So you can refer your example 2.44. So same model will be there, okay. So first we can proceed it, compare your question with your formula, that is x plus 1 by x the whole power 11 with x plus a the whole power n. So first compare with this and write your x, a and n, okay. Here x is equal to x itself, okay. So x is equal to x. Now in the place of a you got 1 by x. So that is equal to a is equal to 1 by x. And in the place of n we have got 11. Therefore n is equal to 11. Now they have given you n is equal to 11. Then you will have to find your terms, okay. First you will have to find the terms. To find the terms, your formula is n plus 1, okay. So that is equal to n is your 11, 11 plus 1, that is equal to 12. This 12 is an even number. So you have got two formulas, that is one for even number and one for odd number. So first we will have to find the terms, that is whether it is even or odd. Now we have got it as an even number, therefore there are two middle terms, namely your formula to find your middle term is Tn plus 1 divided by 2, comma Tn plus 3 divided by 2. So this formula is applicable only your number is even, okay. So if you have even number, you will have two formulas to find your middle term. So this is the formula, okay. Now t, first format you will go. So in the place of n put 11. So what you will get, T11 plus 1 divided by 2, comma here again put 11, okay. So T11 plus 3 divided by 2. So which is equal to T11 plus 1 is 12 divided by 2, comma T11 plus 3 is 14 divided by 2. So which is equal to T 12 and 2 you can cancel, you get your 6. So T6, comma T 14 and 2 you can cancel, you get your 7. So T7. So what we will have to find is T6 and T7, you will have to find it to find the middle terms of your question, okay. First we will write the general term, okay. So general term formula is equal to TR plus 1, which is equal to NCR x power n minus r and a power r. So this is your formula for your general term. In this formula only we will have to substitute it and find your T6 and T7, okay. So first we will go with T6, that is your term, sixth term you will have to find it, okay. So T6 means T6, that is equal to, here it is 5 plus 1 only, you will get this 6, okay. So just write it as T5 plus 1. So if you write 5 plus 1, then R will become this 5, okay. So you can write your R is equal to 5 here. Now other values are here. So just go for your substitution. So T6 is equal to NCR. N is your 11, C and your R is 5. Now in the place of x we have got x only. So put x whole power, it is n minus r. So 11 minus 5 we can write it. And a is nothing but your 1 by x. So 1 by x within your bracket, whole power r is 5, otherwise from here also you can write it. Your 11c5 is there, so you can leave your 11c5 as it is. 11c5 x power 11 minus 5 is 6 divided by, this is x power 5, you can bring it to the denominator. So it will become x power 5 in the denominator. Now you can go for a cancellation, x power 6 and x power 5. So you will have one x over there, that is x power 1 will be there. So your final answer is 11C5 into x. Your book answer is like that only, so you can leave it. Otherwise, you have to solve it and find it. Okay. Second is T7. We'll have to find it. So to find your T7, again T7. So that is equal to here. Get back to your format. That is R plus 1 should be there. So T6 plus 1. So that you will get your T7. Okay. Now your R is equal to, here R is equal to 6. So write it and keep it, R is equal to 6. So now substitute in the same formula again. N is 11, that is equal to 11. C, R will become 6. Okay. And here x is x only. So x power n minus r. So that is 11 minus 6 you can write. Into a power, a is nothing but your 1 by x. A power r you will have to write. R is your 6. So now going for your solving, 11C6 x power 11 minus 6 you will get 5 divided by, this is x power 6, so you can bring it to the denominator as x power 6. Now you can go for your cancellation, x power 5 and x power 6, 1x will be there, that is x power 1 will be there. And this 11C6 also just try to convert it. Okay. So NCR is equal to NC n minus r. So you have studied this formula. Using this formula, just convert this 11C6, that is equal to 11C 11 minus 6. So which is equal to 11C 11 minus 6 will become 5. So which is equal to 11C6 is 11C5. Okay. So 11C5 into, here you have got 1 by x, so 1 by x. Since your book answer they have converted into 11C5, so because of that we are just converting it. Okay. Otherwise we can leave it as 11C6 into 1 by x also. Both are correct. Okay. So this is the answer for your fourth question, first subdivision. Fourth question, second subdivision. 3x plus x square divided by 2 the whole power 8. Again you will have to find your middle term only. So you can refer your example 2.43. The same model will be there. Compare 3x plus x square divided by 2 the whole power 8 with x plus a the whole power n. So here x is in the place of x, we have got 3x. Okay, so x is equal to 3x. In the place of a, we have got x square divided by 2. So a is equal to x square divided by 2 and n we have got 8. Okay, so n is equal to 8. Since n is equal to 8, we have n plus 1 terms. So that is equal to, n is 8, so 8 plus 1 which is equal to 9 terms will be there. So 9 is an odd number, so you can declare that odd number. So for odd number you will have a formula, that is the middle term is, formula is Tn by 2 then plus 1. So Tn by 2 plus 1 is your middle term when your number is odd. Okay. So that is equal to T, in the place of n we have got 8. So 8 by 2 plus 1 separately. So that is equal to T. 8 and 2 you can cancel, you will get your 4. So 4 plus 1 which is equal to T5. So your middle term for your given question is T5. Okay. So we'll have to find T5 now. So to find T5, your general term formula is, TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus r into a power r. So you'll have to substitute in this formula. Okay. So now what we need is T5 is needed. So we'll have to find T5. So 5 means 4 plus 1 only, you will get 5. Okay, so before that you write it as T4 plus 1. Therefore in the place of R you have got 4. Okay, so you can write here R is equal to 4. Now substitute all the values, that is your n, r and a. We have got it here, everything here, x, everything will be there in top, your r values here. Okay, so we'll just go for the substitution. N, c, r. So n is 8, c, r is your 4 into x power n minus r. So x is here 3x. So 3x power n minus r. Okay, so n is 8. Again minus r is 4. Otherwise you can subtract this 8 minus 4. You will get this part. Okay. Into a is nothing but your x square divided by 2. The whole power, r is again 4. So now we'll go for solving. Keep this 8c4 as it is. Here this 3x power 8 minus 4, you'll get it as 4. And here this is x square power 4. So 2 4s are 8, you'll get, divided by, this is 2 power 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, you'll get 60. That is in multiplication. So that is equal to 8c4. And here you have got 3x power 4. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You will get 81 x power 4 into this x power 8 divided by 60, which is equal to 8c4. Keep this 81 as it is. Now x power 4 into x power 8 is there. You all know this formula, that is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So you can use this formula. We have got x power 4 and x power 8. So you will get it as x power 4 plus 8. That will become x power 12 divided by the 16 as it is. So this is your book answer. So you can leave as it is. So this is the answer for your fourth question, second subdivision. Fourth question, third subdivision. 2x square minus 3 divided by x cube, the whole power 10. Again you will have to find your middle term. Compare your question. Okay, so 2x square minus 3 divided by x cube, the whole power 10 with x plus a the whole power n. So here in the place of x we have got 2x square. So x is equal to 2x square. A in the place of a we have got minus 3 divided by x cube. So write with your symbol. A is equal to minus 3 divided by x cube. And in the place of n we have got 10. So n is equal to 10. Since n is equal to 10, we have to find your terms. N plus 1 is your formula. Okay, so 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11 terms. So first you will have to find how many terms are there. So you will have 11 terms. So that is your odd number. So first declare whether it is odd number or even number, because you have got two formulas. One is for odd number, one is for even number. So first find whether it is odd or even, then substitute your formula. Okay, now we are getting your odd number. Therefore the middle term is the formula to find your middle term. If your number is odd is t n by 2 plus 1. So which is equal to t, in the place of n put 10. So 10 by 2 plus 1. That is equal to t. 10 and 2 you can cancel, you get your 5. So 5 plus 1, which is equal to t6. So now we will have to find t6. Okay. So to find t6, first we will write the general term. The general term formula is tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r into a power r. So this is your general term formula. Okay, now we will have to substitute everything here. So we have got already x, a and n, and we will have to find t6. Okay, so to find t6, but we have format as tr plus 1. Okay, so we will just write it as t5 plus 1. If you add this, you should get your term over there. That is, your t6 should be replaced. So the before number, just write it as T5 plus 1. If you add it, you will get your T6 back. Okay. So which is equal to, now in the place of R, we have got 5. So better write it here, R is equal to 5. So all the other values are there on top. Okay. So we'll just go for substitution. NCR. So N is your 10. C, R is 5. And x power n minus r. X is your 2x square. The whole power n minus r. N is 10 minus r is 5. Into a power r. A is this term. Okay. So it is minus 3 divided by x cube. The whole power r is nothing but your 5. Which is equal to 10c5 as it is. Now see the symbol, okay, minus with the power of odd is there. So I will get back your minus over there. So I will just bring this minus to the before term, that is before to all terms. Okay, so minus is here. Now you have got 2x square, the whole power 10 minus 5 will be 5. And here you will have 3 power 5 only. Okay, so 3 power 5, because that minus we have taken it outside, divided by x power 3 5s are 15. So which is equal to, this minus will be there as it is. Again 10c5 will be there as it is. Now see here, 2 power 5 is there, 3 power 5 is there. So what I am going to do is multiply this 2 and 3, so that will become 6. So altogether you can write it as 6 power 5 into this x square, again 5. Okay, so this 5 is for both 2 and x square. So for 2 we have taken it outside. This x square and 5 is there. So x power 2 into 5 it will become 10. So you will have x power 10 divided by this x power 15 is there. So I'll just repeat it again. This minus is there as it is. 10c5 is there as it is. Here you can see 2 power 5, here also 3 power 5 is there. Since the powers are same, I'm just multiplying the numbers inside. So 2 3s are, will become 6, the power common power is 5. Okay. So the left out term will be x square will be there, so but all the power 5. So x power 2 5s are will become 10, so x power 10 divided by this x power 15 is there. It is equal to this minus 10c5 as it is, minus 10c5. 6 power 5 is also as it is. I'll just take this term towards your denominator, because your denominator power is highest. Okay, into 1 divided by, since the power here in the denominator is the highest power, so bring your term to the denominator. Okay, so x power 15 into x power minus 10, because which is equal to minus 10c5 6 power 5 up to here as it is, into 1 divided by x power 15 minus 10. Since x is same, you can add your powers, but here you have got minus, so you can leave it as 15 minus 10. Okay, so that is equal to minus 10c5 6 power 5 into 1 divided by x power 5 you will get. So your last answer is minus 10c5 6 power 5 divided by x power 5. So this is the answer for your fourth question, third subdivision.